IMT Analytics flow meters come in a test set with all the accessories required for operation. It includes a protection filter RT019, which is a recommended accessory when making gas flow measurements. To ensure safe operation and battery charging of your flow meter, an AC power supply is included. This power supply provides 5 volts with a maximum of 2.5 amps and is supplied through USB-C. Moreover, it comes with power connectors for different countries to ensure it works wherever you are. The flow meter also includes a certificate of calibration and a quick start manual to help you get started. Don't worry, the quick start manual is designed to be easy to follow so you can get up and running quickly. We are confident that the flow meter will help you optimize your gas flow measurements with ease and accuracy.